Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a hibiscus flower, so let's get started. To draw this pretty flower, let's first start by drawing the tube that comes out from the center of the flower. So I'm just going to come right here and just draw a curve. And then from there I'm going to draw another curve to thicken it up. So it's going to be slightly thicker towards the bottom. And then about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and round off the bottom. From there, let's come to the top right here, and in this area, we're going to draw the stamen. So I'm just making it, simplifying it. So I'm just going to wobble the shape right on top here. Just wobble this curvy little shape right there, and then just come in here, here and there, add some texture to it. And then from there, now that we have that part in, let's come to the top right here and we're going to draw this stigma. So I'm just going to simplify that once again and just add 3 lines that come out from there, and then draw a circle right at the top of each one. Okay, so then from there now we can draw the petals. So there's basically 5 petals, and this being our center, all the petals are basically just going to be coming from here. So I'm going to start on about right here, right in the center. I'm going to come down with my first curve and then round it off. So then about right here, I'm going to work on this first petal. So then right here on the edge, we're going to soften it with these curves. So then now let's draw this petal right here. So it's going to all come from the center, just giving it a little gap. And coming from the center, another one right here. And then once again, we're going to connect it. And a little wobble. So then one more here, let's come right here. And about right there, I'll stop. And once again, wobble. And tuck it in. And right here, so the fourth one would be about right here. So I'm just gonna come about right here, be coming out. Since it's easier for my hand, I'm just going to go about right here and bring in the petal. And then one more right here. So once again, I'm just going to come out about right here. And wobble my way over and in. There. So that is basically it. These 5 petals with the edges being wobbly. So they're not smooth. So then from there, to add some more bling to this, let's add some leaves right here. So I'll come about right here and add some leaves. And I'm just going to zigzag my way across before I come down. And do the same thing going up. And so let's add one more, let's say right here. Zigzag. Point, and then all the way back in. So now that the flower is pretty much drawn in, I'm going to come in here with some markers and bring it to life. And as you know, hibiscus flowers, there's like a million colors. So I'm just going to make mine your basic pink and white. And the goal is to have the color radiating out from the center and being darkest in the center right here. So let's get started. So they're all done. I hope you love how this turned out and it inspires you to try it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.